One afternoon, someone knocked on Marcus's door. Marcus opened the door. There was a man. His name was Mr. Data. "I have a phone repair shop," Mr. Data said. "I heard about you." Marcus was surprised. "Mrs. Okafor told me about you," Mr. Data said. "She said you fixed her phone." Marcus smiled. Then Mr. Data said, "I want to give you a job." A job. A real job. Money every week. Marcus felt happy, but he also felt nervous. "Can I think about it?" Marcus asked. "Yes," Mr. Data said. "You have 2 days." Mr. Data gave Marcus his phone number. Then he left. Marcus closed the door. He sat on his bed, and he thought. A job was safe. A job meant money every week. No more worry. That sounded good. But then Marcus looked around his room. He saw his tools. He saw his notebook. He saw the note on the wall. He started this by himself. It was small, but it was his. That night, Marcus read something. It was a sentence by Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is a rich man, but he is also a wise man. The sentence said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Marcus read it again and again. He thought about the sentence. You can invest money. You put money in now. You get more money later. But Warren Buffett said, "Invest in yourself." Marcus looked at his tools. Every day he fixed phones. Every day he learned something new. Every day he got a little better. That was like an investment. He was investing in himself. Marcus thought about the job. If he took the job, he would stop building his business. He would stop learning. He would stop growing. Marcus picked up his pen. He opened his notebook. He wrote, "Invest in yourself." The next morning, Marcus called Mr. Data. "Thank you," Marcus said. "You are very kind. But I want to keep building my business." Mr. Data was quiet. Then he said, "I understand." "Good luck, Marcus." They said goodbye. Marcus put down the phone. His hands were shaking a little. He said no to safe money. That was scary, but inside, he felt calm. He opened his notebook. He read the sentence again. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Later that day, Marcus called his mother. "How are you?" she asked. Marcus smiled. "I am investing in myself," he said. His mother did not understand every word, but she heard something good in his voice. "Good," she said. "Keep going." And Marcus did. Now let us look at some words. Word 1. Invest. Say it with me. Invest. Warren Buffett said, "Invest in yourself." Invest means you put something in now to get more later. You can invest money. You can invest time. Marcus invested in himself. Invest. Word 2. Wise. Say it with me. Wise. Warren Buffett is wise. Wise means you understand things well. A wise person makes good choices. Warren Buffett is wise. Wise. Word 3. Calm. Say it with me. Calm. Marcus felt calm inside. Calm means quiet, not worried, not afraid. After his big decision, Marcus felt calm. Calm. Your 3 words today: invest, wise, calm. Let's say them one more time. Invest, wise, calm. Very good. Next week, Marcus gets his first customer from outside the building. but something goes wrong. Come back next week to find out what happens. Please subscribe for a new Marcus story every week. See you next time.